Hi, how you doing? So today, going to make these stuffed mushrooms. Cheese, garlic, a few other bits, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we're going to do first is get our mixture together. So I've got 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 of chopped onion, get it all nice and small. What's there, 3 or 4 cheese. I'm using a cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you want really. Little bit of olive oil. There's maybe a couple of tablespoons there. Tiny amount, or let's say 1 of these of celery. Same with garlic, bit of salt and pepper. Teaspoon of paprika, and I'm using a smoked paprika. You don't have to put that in. You could put something else in like oregano, thyme, or some other herb if you want, or nothing in fact. And then I've got some parsley there, flat leaf parsley, cut really nice and small, and let's say there's a tablespoon of that. What we're going to do is get all of that together to make our mixture. Okay, so mixing bowl. Here we go. 5 breadcrumb, 1 tablespoon onion, 1 of the celery, little bit of salt and pepper. Now look, you can really play around with this, get it kind of how you want. We're going to get that 1, we said 1 didn't we, of the chopped parsley, 1 of the garlic. And you try and just chop everything as small as you can, that's the way forward. Teaspoon of the smoked paprika, which is going to give it a really lovely flavour. Some grated cheese in there, like I said, I'm going for a cheddar. And then a little bit of olive oil to kind of bind it together. As you can see, I've got my sexy glove on because I'm going to go in and I'm just going to mix this all together, scrunch it all up, and I'll be back in a moment or so. Okay, there you go. Now it might seem a bit dry, but that cheese is in there and that's going to kind of melt nicely. If you wanted, a little bit of soy sauce in there can also work, depending on what kind of direction you're going in really. But yeah, that's kind of where you want it. So it looks crumbly, but if I squeeze it, you've got that consistency. Let's have a look at some mushrooms. Okay, so these are the mushrooms I'm using. They're quite decent size. You can see in my hand. What we're going to do is we're going to pop that out. Don't waste that. You can use all these stalks, and then we're just going to peel them back. You know, just get a little bit of the skin off. You don't even have to do that really, but yeah, you can peel it back here, get it off, and then off we go. Let me get on with that. Okay, so these are the mushrooms I'm using. Just got the skin off. Now look, what we need to do is grab some of the mixture and press it in like so. Like I said, it does feel quite crumbly, but don't worry because that cheese is going to sort it out. We're going to do something else to this as well. So yeah, press it in like that. Let me finish the others. Okay, so what we've done is we've got our filling in there and pressed it in. Now they're in a baking tray. You're going to need something that can go in the oven. I'm using metal. You can use glass or ceramic, long as it's oven proof. Now get your oven on. You need your oven on full blast, maximum heat. What we're going to do now is we're going to get a little bit of cheddar on top, and these are going to go into a preheated oven, and they're going to go in just for like 8 or 10 minutes, and they're going to be absolutely beautiful. So pop them in a high heat, high heat, about 10 minutes. Gorgeous. Now if you want, let me just grab here. This is a bit of an afterthought, this one. I'm just grabbing here a bit of oregano on the top. Again, you can maybe put a little bit of chili on there or the smoked paprika. But yeah, really delicious. See when they come out. And there you go, 8 to 10 minutes in the oven. Cheese is melted beautifully and browned. They're nice, if you squeeze them, they're really nice and soft. Really, really easy, really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.